Alright, you guys, so at the end of the trip, you actually get one of these surveys, and it's only one per room, and it's specifically for your room. And it's basically a bubble-in survey, which they really do take seriously, so make sure that you guys fill it out according to what you really do believe they deserve. So this includes your overall cruise experience, crew members, your stateroom, which I started filling out. Our safe was kind of tripping out, but they got it fixed. Entertainment and activities, about the ship, dining and shopping, problem resolution, guest information, and all of these will actually be read. These things will be used to determine whether or not the people that served you will get promotions or anything like that. And Disney seems to really take things very seriously, so if you do make a complaint, make sure it's something that really is worth complaining about. They do ask that you turn it in the day that you leave. Alright, so we're packing right now, and our stateroom got these cute little tags, and these tags are actually really important. They decide the order that they're going to allow us to get off the ship. You got to fill it out and make sure that you have enough for all of your luggage, because that's how they identify your stuff. They did ask us to take off any other previous tags that we had from other airports or other cruises. That way they don't lose your stuff. You can actually put your stuff out the night before, and that way they'll take it off, and when you are debarking they'll hand you your baggage. But we had a friend that lost their luggage. It got dropped in the water. They did get reimbursed like $300 per person, but we're not trying to go through that, so we're actually going to take our own. If we had insurance, then we would do it, but we don't. So just letting you guys know, make sure that if you are willing to lose your luggage, just make sure you get insurance, because if you don't, they're not going to replace it for you. So just letting you guys know. Good morning.
Good morning.
What's today?
The day that we come back home.
You can see our bed is all crazy because nobody's made it for us yet. We are completely packed, and we did not have them take our stuff. But right now we are going to breakfast, so we're gonna head down right now and then come back up to get our stuff and go home.
Yep.
All right. Right here, back in San Diego. Good morning, we're at breakfast.
Now I'm the king of the swingers, oh, the jungle VIP. I've reached the top and had to stop, and that's what's bothering me. I wanna be a man cub, and stroll right into town, and be just like the other men. I'm tired of moving around. Oh.
Thank you.
The swimming pool was
All right, goodbye to our room one last time. So sad.
so I'm sure we'll be off way before that.
Hey ladies, say bye.
Really? They start to.
So this is limping around, but he figured out how to push all of our luggage on the wheelchair. Go ahead, babe.
So you can put that one on top too.
Going home. Now you gotta see why she can't get Thank you, Disney, for helping us out. Thank you, thank you. What was your name? Andrea. You guys, Andrea is amazing. Thank you so much. Yes. Going home, you guys. Going home. Right, this is Don, the amazing man that helped us off the ship, along with Bill, and we asked them what was their marriage advice for us, because you've been married for how long?
I've been married 60 years now. I met my wife wife in high school, and it takes, to do it, it takes 2 forgiving people.
2 forgiving people.
That's the key.
Thank you. And what about you, Bill?
I've been married for 34 years.
Uh-huh.
And I think the best advice, don't ever go to bed angry with each other, always try to resolve it. And then also, if you get mad at each other, don't call each other names, because that's something that you can't take back.
Thank you. Thank you. We really appreciate you guys. Thank you so much.
We arrived on our shuttle, and we're headed to go pick up our car at the parking spot, parking location, and parking location number 3. And after that, we're headed home.
Yeah, and we took Park and Fly, which was great because they actually pick you up right here, which is perfect for us because we needed that. Had no idea how much that was going to come in handy. Last time we walked like, what, a mile?
Maybe more than a mile.
More than a mile, so I'm so glad we didn't do that this time. I'm so glad. But yeah, that's pretty much the end of our trip, you guys. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Give us a thumbs up if you enjoyed this video. Bye. Hey guys, we're back home, and here's the fun part. Unpacking. We brought back so many of these from the cruise because Vis needed them, so now I have a whole little collection. All of our fish extenders.
So I can be like you. Oh.
One of the coolest gifts that we got on the cruise. Hey everybody, it is 1:05. We are home now. How babe?
Yes, we're finally home.
Yeah, it's so nice to be home. We love Disney Cruise. It was so awesome.
It was.
But we're so happy to be home in our little mansion. That's what Vis calls it. We got here and I was like, wow, our 700 square foot place feels so humongous. So,
compared to the 200.
the little box, the closet that we're sleeping in. So we're just so happy to be home, and we hope that you guys had a good time. Those of you that went on the trip with us, we are sending our love, our magic to you. It's been a rough one, but we definitely have learned a lot, and we're grateful for the experience that we went through during this trip. So we hope that if you guys go on a trip and you go through some trials, that you still find the positivity in it. You know, at the end of the day, God is just trying to stretch us to be better and to trust Him that it doesn't matter what the circumstance looks like. We need to just trust in the process, and right now we feel really grateful.
Yes, we do.
All right, you guys, we'll see you later. Thanks for watching.